Hello guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, another style and sexy lingerie ang ating i-haul and review for today. So without further ado, let's begin. Ano po ito sa fine to? Wow, large size pa yung nakuha ko. So tingnan natin. Large size. Wow, tong panty. Look at this. So beautiful. Look at that. The lumot green. Green po ang kanyang color at cotton po yung dito na stretchable siya. Ang ganda oh. Ang ganda ng style. Look at this. This is a thong panty. Bikini thong panty. Look at that. Wow, nice. The material is nice and the lace, look at this. Yung lace niya, stretchable din siya. Kaya ang ganda. Large size po ito. Sa Lazada ko po ito nakuha. Pero maliit lang siya. Yun mo, large pero maliit lang siya. Ang ganda ng style. Very, very beautiful ang kanyang style. Look at this. Very elegant at tamang-tama sa color. Talagang green. Look at this. So, tingnan natin yung kanyang quality kung maganda ba ang pagkatahi. So, wow. Nice. Mukhang perfect ha. Ganda. Wow. Wow. Nice. Ang ganda ng quality ng tahi. Talagang di kalugi dito. At saka very affordable po ito. Ito ay nabili ko lang ng almost 70 pesos. Ganda oh. Look at this. Ang ganda. At yung crotch niya, perfect. Meron siyang small amount ng lining. At cotton din to. Stretchable din to yung yung tela niya. Ganon din tong yung garter niya. Ang ganda. This is a thong panty. So, sorry na lang sa may mga almo. Di talaga pwede. So, pero kung malakas ang inyong loob na gagawin, it's up to you. Go, go, go. Carry on. Look at the front view. And this is a back view. Look at that. Wow, very nice. Very good quality. The quality is good. The style so perfect. And this is so sexy. And the color is so perfect. Green. Para itong lumot green. Itong color na ito. So, tingnan mo naman. Napakaganda. Hindi ka talaga lugi doon sa price na binili mo. Very, very beautiful talaga po siya. Nice yung kanyang quality, yung material, yung sewing, nice. And the size is perfect for Asian size. Diba? Ganda ng material niya, yung kanyang lace, napaka-beautiful. Lalo kung ang magsusot dito ay puti, white, maputi, so perfect. Talagang attractive ito. So sexy. So that is for today for our sexy bikini thong panty. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.